transfer utilities with precise scheduling so both your old and new home have service when you need it. Start by listing every utility to move: electricity, water, gas, internet, cable, trash, and any subscription maintenance like alarm systems. For each account, gather the account number, full service address, and the exact move date you will no longer occupy the old property and the date you will first occupy the new property. Contact providers early, ideally 2 to 3 weeks before moving, to request a disconnection at the old address the day after your move out and a connection at the new address the day before or the day of your move in. For utilities that require on-site setup like broadband and cable, book the earliest appointment available and confirm the technician window by telephone 2 to 3 days before the appointment. Arrange final meter readings for electricity, gas, and water on your move-out date and request a written confirmation or photo evidence to avoid billing disputes. Keep a running checklist with confirmation numbers, expected final balances, and the name of the customer service representative for each request. Common mistakes start with scheduling connections too late and being left without power or internet on move day. Fix this by booking connections at least 2 weeks ahead and asking for a guaranteed appointment window. Another frequent issue is failing to get a final meter reading, which can create billing arguments. Prevent this by taking photos of meter readings at move out and sending them to the provider with a time-stamped message. People often forget that broadband equipment needs time to be shipped or installed. If the provider cannot commit to an installation before you move, arrange a temporary mobile hotspot or short-term service so you can work and manage other moving tasks without interruption. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and list utilities tasks as common project types so you can see who does what in your area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real experience and practical tips for scheduling disconnections and setup appointments, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners planning moves.